Hello, my friends. Welcome back to part 3 of Module 4, Lesson 18. We have a word problem. It says that Eric buys 2 and 5/10 pounds of cashews. If each pound of cashews costs 7.70, how much will he pay for the cashews? Which means how much will he pay for the 2.5 pounds? And one way to know this, we're gonna multiply. So here's our multiplication already set up. We can do this in two ways. Let me model two ways. That's for, I think I'd rather have the other number on the top. So we're going to grab 770 times 2 and 5/10. Now remember, in multiplication, you don't have to align the numbers. So now if we can leave it like that, all you have to do is this. You multiply the ones first, right? Okay, first of all, you got to know that there are two decimal numbers on the first factor. And there is one decimal number on the second factor. So that means your answer has to have three decimal numbers. Now, let's multiply. Well, let's multiply the 5. 5, let me use a different color. 5 times 0 equals 0. 5 times 7 equals 35. You carry 3 over. 5 times 7 equals 35 plus 3 equals 38. Now, we're going to add this to the multiplication of the 2/10. These are 2/10, my friends. So we're going to write a 0 here. So we're making sure we multiply by 10. So now let's multiply by 2. 2 times 0 equals 0. 2 times 7 equals 14. You carry 1 over. 2 times 7 equals 14 plus 1 equals 15. We're going to add up the total. This is 0. This is 5. This is 12. Carry 1 over. That would be 9. And this is 1. Okay, so there is our total. Now, remember that we said that we need to have three decimal numbers on the bottom, three places. So here is where a whole number has a decimal. If you go backwards 3 times 1, 2, 3, here's where the answer is. $19.25 this person will pay. Okay, that's one way to solve the problem. We can also solve this problem with fractions. And let me show you how. So we're going to write now each number as a fraction. So 770 will be 770 hundredths. So that will be this number here. And the 2.5 will be times, wait, let me erase that. I'm going to set it on the bottom. Times, well, let me do it up here. Times, let me finish my arrow. That will be 25/10. Okay. We can multiply that across. So here's what we do. So you can grab, let's write this as units. 770 hundredths. Times 25 tenths. So now let's do, this is going to be the same thing we did on this side, but in a different manner. So 5 times 0 equals 0. 5 times 7 equals 35. You carry 3 over. 5 times 7 equals 35 plus 3 equals 38. Now we multiply the 2/10. So we add the 10 here. We say 2 times 0 equals 0. 2 times 7 equals 14. We carry 1 over. 2 times 7 equals 14. Plus 1 equals 15. We add this up. And this is going to be 0, 5, 12. We carry 1 over. That will be 9 and 19. Now, these are called 100 times tenths equals 1,000. And as you can see, it's similar to what we have here, right? So now we're going to write this as a decimal. I mean, it's a fraction. So 19 8,250 divided by 1,000, which is this part right here. And you know that there are 19 thousands in there, so that's going to be our whole number. 19,000, and the rest of it will be 250. There will be actually 19,000, but will be 19 holes, which is $19 and 250 thousandths. So that will be your answer there, my friends. And notice that either way, you get the right answer. So practice any of them, see which one is easier for you, and become a good mathematician. Signing out from Gravity to you, coach, Mr. Magnifico.